My name is Muhammad Jawad, and I am a student of BS MLT 8th semester. My registration number is MLT1 2019-2046, and my instructor name is Dr. Niaz. My presentation topic is laboratory quality control. So coming toward my presentation topic, what is laboratory quality control? Laboratory quality control is all the measures put in place to eliminate the risk of non-conforming outcomes. It involves systems that safeguard the accuracy, reliability, and timelines of lab results by ensuring the early detection of results or measurement errors, samples from the beginning to the end of the run, and procedure to rectify them. It should be performed regularly and quality control materials should be treated the same as samples from the beginning to the end of the run. Laboratory quality control ensures that the lab process and operations run efficiently and guarantees the production of accurate and reproducible results. In addition, the quality control measures or measures developed in a lab are the building block for the process of certification and accreditation. Failure to integrate quality control in a laboratory can lead to several negative consequences, including the following: time wastage, unreliable result, delayed diagnosis, or unnecessary treatment for patients. Detecting and minimizing laboratory errors. Error in the laboratory can occur in three experimental or test stages: pre-analytical, analytical, post-analytical. So what is pre-analytical error? Those error occurs when test samples or material are mishandled prior to analysis. This may include errors like sample mix-up, mislabeling, improper storage or transportation, and unsuitable sample collection methods. To minimize pre-analytical error, ensure that proper sample collection methods are followed by adhering to the standard operating procedure. Sample and test material are clearly labeled using name or lab codes, date of collection, sources, test to be done. Test material are transported to the lab in proper containers and all the recommended temperature for any potentially infectious or toxic sample. Triple packaging rule outlined by the International Air Transport Association regulation should be followed and proper warning labels attached. Sample and test material are properly stored to avoid negative impact on the quality of result. Samples that might undergo degradation could lead to false results. It is advisable to always carry out subsampling. Storing liquids of test materials provides backup in cases of errors in downstream processes. Analytical stage. An analytical stage or error arises during the process of testing or experimentation. This could be due to the use of the wrong test reagent, the use of defective and non-calibrated equipment, these of the wrong proportion of reagent, and general non-adherence to standard operating SOPs. All these errors can be minimized by ensuring that all laboratory equipment is well maintained and calibrated. A proper inventory is in place, outline all reagents and their validity to ensure no expired reagents are in use. All standard operating procedures are documented and accessible. Actions are taken on staff that is continually non-compliant with the SOPs used. Post-analytical stage. Post-analytical stage or post-analytical phase is the final phase of the laboratory process. This phase culminates in the production of final value result, or in the case of histology, a diagnostic pathology report. To minimize these type of errors, avoid manual calculation, ensure that only well-trained personnel interact and record result. So how we can establish a laboratory quality management system? A laboratory quality management system streamlines and coordinates all the processes and operations within the lab, ensuring that each step is well planned, controlled, and correctly performed. It encompasses both the managerial and technical aspect of the lab procedure. To establish a proper quality management system, several widely used systems essentially have been developed and are discussed separately below. So, we are now discussing how we can establish a proper quality management system. So, in proper quality management system, first of all, it came to our organization. It came on organization. Organization consists of managerial cadre and the technical cadre, as well as biomedical engineers, which help in the regard in order to maintain the technical issues in equipment. Persons. Persons refers to all the hierarchical people right from the bottom till the top, that is from helpers to the managers who are well trained. Equipment. All the equipment is up to date is required for a quality management system. Purchasing and inventory. We need to keep a proper record of all the purchasing item and it is good in check or ensure that all the items are in updated form. Process control. All the technical cadre staff should know how to control the whole system of the lab. Document and record. Document and record consist of the record or that will test be done in the laboratory. Occurrence management. Occurrence management refers to the management cadre or technical cadre persons. Assessment. We should assess all the system properly and should try to ensure the fulfillment of any type of deficiency in material or skills. Assessment. We should know or we should to know the or we should to assess all the managerial and technical staff that they are properly well trained or they are facing any kind of problems in the lab. Process improvement. So we should take care of how to improve the process of lab. We should work in all the part to improve its efficiency. Customer patient service. Customer patient services in case provides same if customer providing some complaint or suggestion, so we should be warmly honored to them. Facility and safety. We should provide all kind of facility and safety to our staff as well as to our customer or patients. International laboratory system. There are many international standards for laboratories that regulate specific laboratory aspects or programs. These standards are developed by international bodies such as the World Health Organization and International Organization for Standardization. The field-specified international institution, the standard developing body may recognize an institution through three different processes. Certification, where the body or give a written assurance that the product or services of the institution meet specific requirement. Accreditation, where the body provides a formal acknowledgement that an institution is competent in providing a service or producing a product. Licensure. Licensure is given by a government to organization with recognition of skills, knowledge, and training, allowing the institution to operate. That's the end of my presentation. If any question or any query, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.